The second one that you can do is look at things from the other person's point of view. When we communicate with friends and family and coworkers, we want to be heard. We want to be understood. Well, guess what? The person who we are communicating with wants the same exact thing. So if you want to build trust in a team, focus on looking at things from the other person's perspective, other person's point of view. So just so you know, we put this principle into the building trust group of principles in the ones that we're covering over the next few weeks, but it can actually be a good conflict resolution principle as well. Give you a good example. A few weeks ago, we got a phone call from an upset customer, and he had ordered one of our self-facilitated programs, and we shipped him the materials for our warehouse. And he also, when we ship these things out, he was supposed to get a leader's guide via email. Well, there was a glitch in the auto email system, and so he didn't receive it for one reason or another, went to spam or something. But so he received this box of materials. The guide wasn't in the box, and he called us in a panic because he was really upset that he was so upset that the office manager who took his phone call actually forwarded his call to me, forwarded it to my extension. Just so you know, when someone is aggressive to me, my natural reaction is to kind of respond in kind. But luckily, in this situation, though, I tried to do something a little different and look at things from his perspective, from his point of view. He had no idea that the leader's guide that we had promised him was digital. He had no idea that we could actually send him that digital thing in less than a second. So from his perspective, he had paid money for a product that was incomplete. By putting myself in his shoes, I was able to empathize with his situation. And I was quickly able to apologize and fix the situation for him without any challenges. And his panic went away almost immediately. So basically, the second way to really build trust with team members is to look at things from the other person's point of view.